Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
You start by ensuring your repository exists and you have push access. This matters because actions need repository context. Once ready, create the GitHub/workflows folder and add a YAML file named something like sci. IML so GitHub recognizes it. Make sure to pick the trigger you need, push for immediate runs or pull request for PR checks, because that determines when workflows execute. Finally, commit and push the YAML to the selected branch to kick off the first workflow run. Next, you define jobs inside the YAML to structure work and select runs on to pick the runner OS. Jobs can run in parallel to speed things up. Within each job, add steps. Start with actions/checkout, then set up your language runtime or toolchain, and finally run build or test commands. Use env and secrets for credentials so you don't expose values. This creates reproducible, secure runs. Once defined, validate YAML and push. GitHub shows detailed logs for each step. To finish, confirm successful runs and add status badges or branch protection rules to require passing workflows before merges. This enforces quality. If something fails, open the Actions tab and inspect step logs. Logs show command output and exit codes, so you can pinpoint failures quickly. Make sure to retry with changes. Check working directory, path casing, or file permissions, which are frequent culprits. If needed, enable step debug by setting Actions runner debug for deeper traces. Then
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.